Have you ever pondered what the job market will look like in an era dominated by robots? A question that might sound like a sci-fi movie plot, yet it's becoming more relevant with each passing day. The rapid advancements in robotics and artificial intelligence are reshaping our world at an unprecedented pace. Robots are no longer confined to factories or warehouses. They're making their way into our homes, offices, and even our pockets. As these technologies become increasingly intertwined with every facet of our everyday lives, they bring along a whirlwind of emotions. Excitement for the future possibilities, but also a palpable sense of fear and uncertainty. The fear of job displacement due to the rise of robots is a common concern, stirring heated debates and creating a cloud of ambiguity around the future of work. But is this fear justified? Let's delve into some real-world examples. The manufacturing industry has been a pioneer in adopting automation. This sector has been quick to embrace the robotic revolution, and the results have been nothing short of transformative. Let's take a look at the automotive industry as a case study. In the automotive production lines, robots have become indispensable. They are involved in almost every step of the process, from welding and painting to assembly and inspection. Robots bring a level of precision and consistency that is hard to achieve with human hands. They can work tirelessly, around the clock, without ever needing a break. This has led to significant increases in efficiency and productivity. But what does this mean for the workforce? On one hand, there's no denying that robots have displaced certain jobs. Tasks that were once performed by humans are now being done by machines. This has led to job losses, particularly in roles that involve repetitive manual labor. However, it's not all doom and gloom. While some jobs have become obsolete, others have been created. The rise of robotics has led to an increased demand for roles such as robot operators, automation engineers, and data analysts. These are jobs that didn't even exist a few decades ago. Moreover, robots can take over hazardous tasks, improving workplace safety. They can work in environments that are dangerous for humans, such as those involving high temperatures or toxic materials. This not only protects workers, but also reduces the risk of costly accidents. The shift towards automation also encourages workers to upskill and reskill, opening the door to more rewarding and higher-paying roles. In this way, robots are not just replacing jobs, but also reshaping them. As we can see, the impact of robots in the manufacturing sector is a double-edged sword. They bring efficiency and safety, but they also bring change. The challenge lies in managing this transition, ensuring that workers are not left behind but rather are equipped to thrive in this new landscape. Healthcare, a field you might not associate with robots, is seeing a wave of robotic involvement. Let's dive into a case study that perfectly embodies this wave: the blossoming world of robotic surgery. Robotic surgery, as futuristic as it sounds, is a reality today. This technology is revolutionizing the operating room, enhancing the capabilities of surgeons and improving patient outcomes. A surgeon controlling a robotic system can perform complex procedures with unprecedented precision. The surgeon's hand movements are translated into smaller, more precise movements of tiny instruments within the patient's body. This precision can lead to less invasive procedures, quicker recovery times, and ultimately, a better patient experience. But what does this mean for jobs in the healthcare industry? It's not as ominous as it might sound. Yes, the role of a surgeon is changing, but it isn't disappearing. Surgeons are still needed to control these robots, to make critical decisions, and to provide that human touch. The robots are tools, not replacements. Let's turn our attention to another example: automated pharmacy systems. These robots are capable of dispensing medications with a level of accuracy and speed unmatched by human hands. This leads to increased safety, reduced errors, and improved patient care. Again, this doesn't spell the end for pharmacists. Instead, their roles are evolving. With robots handling the dispensing, pharmacists can dedicate more time to patient care. They can counsel patients, provide medication therapy management, and perform other clinical duties. In both these instances, we see that robots are not eliminating jobs, but transforming them. They are taking over repetitive, mundane tasks, allowing healthcare professionals to focus on what they do best: caring for patients. Robots in healthcare are not replacing humans, but changing the way we work. They are ushering in a new era of medicine, one where humans and robots collaborate to achieve the best possible patient care. This is not a tale of machines taking over, but a story of how technology can enhance our abilities and improve our lives. So, will robots steal our jobs? This question has been at the heart of our discussion today. The landscape of work is undeniably changing, as robots find their place in industries like manufacturing and healthcare. But it's important to remember, This isn't necessarily a tale of job loss, but rather, job evolution. As we've seen, automation can certainly replace certain roles. However, it also paves the way for new ones, often requiring a unique blend of skills that robots simply cannot replicate. The human touch, creativity, empathy, strategic thinking, these are all elements that robots are yet to master. In this era of automation, adaptability becomes key. Lifelong learning isn't just a nice to have, it's a must. As we continue to navigate the shifting world of work, embracing new technologies and upskilling will be our pathway to thriving in the robot era. The future of jobs in the robot era is not a bleak one, but a different one. We hope you found this exploration into the future of jobs in the era of robots insightful. It's a conversation that leaves room for a lot of perspectives, and we'd love to hear yours. So why not share your thoughts in the comment section below? What's your take on robots ruling the workplace? Do you see it as an opportunity or a threat? And what's your vision for the future of jobs? Being a part of our community doesn't stop here. Engage with other tech enthusiasts, debate, discuss, and evolve your ideas. After all, it's through these discussions that we learn and grow. And if you're as intrigued by the future as we are, why not stay a while longer? Make sure to subscribe to our channel to keep up with the latest on technology and its impact on our lives. After all, the future is exciting and you wouldn't want to miss it.